How to change font size in WhatsApp Android. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easily you can change the font size in your WhatsApp account. So let's get started. Launch your WhatsApp application from your device and make sure to get logged into your specific WhatsApp account number. At this page, you will see a three-dot icon on your top right-hand side. Tap onto it and select Settings. At this page, you will also see Chats option. Open it. Scroll below, then you will see Font Size. Tap onto it, and by default, it might be set for medium. You can go ahead and set it for large or small. Once done, tap OK. And as you confirm it, all the font will be displayed onto large or small size according to your preferences. Just like so, guys, this is how you can do it. So thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.